I guess here most of them get answer 80 for this problem. Wrong order. Here 5 plus here 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 in bracket 2 power 2. Here 5 plus 5 times 3 is 15 times 2 power 2. Here 5 plus 15 is 20 times 2 power 2. Here 20 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 20 times 4 is 80 is the wrong answer as per this order of operations PEMDAS. This 80 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority, this is a exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority, also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 5 plus inside the bracket we have two operations, one is division and multiplication. Here division and multiplication both are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, so we have to do this division before this multiplication. Here 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 in bracket, here 2 power 2. Here 5 plus here 5 times 3 is 15 times 2 power 2. Here the next priority is the exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. Here 5 plus 15 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus here it is 60. Here 5 plus 60 is 65 is the correct answer.